Hi everyone! Today we'll build a 12-volt battery-powered welding machine, compact but strong enough to weld iron, aluminum, and more. Let's get started and see how simple it really is. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support me. Your interaction gives me the energy to create even more amazing DIY projects. First, I'll use a motor from a broken water purifier. Then, use any method you can to completely disassemble the motor. I'll use sandpaper to clean the tip of the rotor shaft where the copper has tarnished. The copper part I'm cleaning is a very important component of the new welding machine, so we should clean it thoroughly and carefully. Next, I use a soldering iron and some solder to coat a thin layer on it. I'll spread the solder into two separate sections, symmetrically on both sides. Next, I use two electrical wires of different colors, each with a diameter of 2.5 millimeters. I'll use a soldering iron to connect the two wire ends to the soldered copper bearing. Of course, these two wires will have no connection with each other. In the next step, I'll use another wire and wrap it around the rotor shaft in a circular pattern. We'll wrap it into two layers of wire, which will make the welding machine work more powerfully. After finishing the winding, use industrial adhesive to secure the wire coils together. Next, I'll remove all the carbon brushes and wires from the bottom of the motor. Next, drill two small round holes on the curved cover of the motor. I'll insert the two wire ends into the two round holes I just made. Next, I'll separate the magnet from the motor casing by heating it with a heat gun. When the magnet gets hot, the glue will melt, and then we just need to tap it gently with a heavy object to make it come off. We'll reassemble the motor as it was before. Carefully align the motor parts so the two ends don't get misaligned. Then just tap gently and they'll fit perfectly together. Now I'll connect the machine's output to the two welding clamps. First, I'll attach the ground clamp. First, strip off the insulation at the end of the wire, then insert it into the clamp terminal and tighten it firmly with pliers. Next, we'll connect the welding clamp. Remove the outer cover of the clamp first. After assembling both clamps, I'll take this welding machine for a test run. I'll use a 12-volt battery to power this machine. Next, I'll connect the two wires from the machine to the two terminals of the battery. The machine has started running. Be careful to keep the welding clamp and ground clamp away, as they may produce sparks. I'll take a welding rod and attach it to the welding clamp so we can start welding anything we want. I'm going to start welding these steel box tubes together to test the power of this homemade welding machine. Amazing. The weld burns powerfully. You can clearly see with your own eyes that the coating on the welding rod is burning intensely. I'll weld one more metal bar here to test the strength and real performance of this homemade welding machine. I tested the machine's sensitivity by cutting off the power supply, and it responded incredibly fast and accurately. Do you think this creation of mine is amazing and super useful? If you love ideas like this, let me know in the comments below. So, we've just created a super simple yet incredibly effective welding machine together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support me in making more creative projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.